Hi there, I'm Michael Cohn from Advanced Tubular Technologies. I'm the lead developer for VTube-LASER software, which measures and qualifies tube shapes and automatically corrects tube bending machines. In today's video, what I would like to do is talk about the best way to use a scanner to end scan a part. And the part I'm going to show you here has a nice big flange with a flat surface on the end, so that I can show you the methods to not use and the methods to use when scanning the end scan. So let's go ahead and get started. We strongly recommend that you don't use this method of end scanning. Using this method, it's very easy to miss the end, and it also creates a situation where you could have more flyers. This scan angle is very good. Note how I approach the tube end at a 45-degree angle. And don't be afraid to use the articulation of the arm. You can have the gripper up or down to create the same kind of angle, and it works fine either way. Avoid this approach because it puts laser on the table in front of the tube and requires the cut plane to be working perfectly. Approaching the end from a perpendicular orientation is very risky for tubes that have highly reflective ends. It might overwhelm the camera. And finally, try to keep the laser line above the cut plane when it's striking the end. Otherwise, it might take a lot of scanning to get enough points to complete the scan. As a review, let's look at the two scanning methods that are considered very good for end scans. So that's how you can get great scans for the ends of your tubing. If you have any questions about what you've seen in this video, please feel free to reach out to me or my team at support@advancedtubular.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.